it's clean, it's going to look something like this. Okay, really easy. And welcome to Aaron's Way, the cave. Today we are going to do a nice and beautiful exercise for warming up. Let's say that you are in a rush and you just want to be warm before to get straight away into the workout. One more time, make sure to be warm. Make sure to be warm. Jumping rope, amazing, beautiful, funny, and exhausting jumping rope.
Always way.
Feel better every day.
I will show you a few ways to jump and to learn and to incorporate into your normal jumping rope routine. Okay, so first of all, check that the rope, whatever rope, you can use whatever. Look at this. You can use whatever rope, right? All the rest are excuses. Okay, whatever rope. Make sure that once you do it, your elbow stays locked in a 90 degrees right angle. Right. Put your foot on the rope. If your elbow locks in the 90 degrees, that means it's a good rope for you. Before you start to jumping, make sure that you're loosening up. Do like this, you do like this, right? Loosen up your hips, right? Quick. Your knee, bam bam. The other one, ta-da-ta, right? Your foot, you're good to go, okay? So, first of all, I will show you a few steps, right? Let's say 5-6 steps for jumping the rope. If you are a total beginner, a way which you can do for starting and getting into the flow is basically just taking the rope in front of you and stop it, lock it on your foot. Let me show you here. I just throw it in front of me and I lock it. You can see, I lock it just under my foot. I keep going like that, right? This is an excellent way to understand the dynamic, right? To understand how to drive the rope in front of you and behind you. Another way is about rhythm. Small jumps, and jump every time you hear the sound. So, sound, I jump, right? Easy, again. Sound, I jump, right? Sound, I jump. I know that looks stupid, but delivering things in a stupid way is the most easy way to understand things. Believe me. When something is funny, you get it easily. When something is stupid, that is stupid easy, that's how you get things, right? So, sound, and you jump, right? Let's make it a bit more fluid. Sound, I jump. Sound, I jump. Make sure that you are going to elevate, you are going to engage your abs, elevate your core system, right? Boom. Boom, boom. Another way is basically on the timing, right? The double jump. Boom, 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 boom. See? I'm bouncing 2 times, right? This gives me the chance for timing up when I need to jump and when the rope is about to come in front of me, right? So, again, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, easy. Another way for learning and improving your skills is to make sure that your foot is going to elevate, is going to come up, right from the ground. Because at one point you will feel tired, it will be less prone to jump correctly, right? Because it's fair enough. So what you can do is jump with one leg, one foot, just for make sure to activate your thighs whilst you do it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice warm. The other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And you keep going. Another way to learn also in this dynamic is this one. 1, 2, see? 3, 4, 5, okay? When it's clean, it's going to look something like this. Okay? Really easy, right? My foot are together and just jumping. Okay? Another way for taking for taking rest, for releasing, for breathing, let's say, for breathing during the jumping workout is just to bring the rope from one side to the other, right? Look what I'm doing. From here, once it's here, I just take my left arm and just whip it to my right side. Then I take my right arm up, whip it to the left, right? Of course, my hand stays closed, right? I'm not going like this, right? I'm not doing this huge movement, right? I'm just doing it really, really settled. A small movement. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, right? Okay, in jump to it. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? I can do like this and then bring it here, then bring it here, then bring it here, or just one hand on top, right? Just this one. Right? One hand on top. You can see I'm driving just with one hand, and keep one hand here, or just with both, right? Bam, bam, yes, switch, right? Okay, easy. Now let's talk about the double time. What is double time? Basically, this one. Once you are going to jump, right, you are going to speed up the jumping process, right? So basically, while you are in the air, you are just going to whip, give an extra whip with the rope, right? It will look something like this, right? Jump, 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 jump. Okay. Okay. Really easy to do. You just need to jump and make sure that you're giving the extra whip, right? And this is nice because it's going to spice it up a little bit your jumping experience, and it's good for stamina and timing. Amazing exercise for that, right? One more trick for jumping the rope is to bring your knee up. Why? Bringing your knee up will help you during your Muay Thai knee strike, right? Normal knee strike or your flying knee. Basically, it works like this. You come up with your leg, with the other, with the leg, with the other, with the leg, with the other. You just speed it up, right? Really good, really amazing exercise for cardio, conditioning, right? Explosivity, and all the good stuff, right? You see what I just done? This is the explanation, right? Now I just took a kind of break while I'm moving and then get back to it. So I hope this will be useful for you. If you get any type of value, like and subscribe. Sign up for our newsletter so we can stay in touch. Always Way is a project focused on holistic health, right? So we have integrative medicine, psychology, podcast, the cave, as you can see over here. Many different things which will help you to improve your holistic or wellness goal in general. So sign up for our newsletter, read our blogs, amazing, a lot of packed information, our podcast, and let's build this channel together. Thank you for being with us. Always Way, feel better every day. Ciao.